Murphy's in the lab again. I'm the Briarwood AI guy. I'm the Briarwood AI guy. Yeah, the Briarwood AI guy. That's me. Walk the block, hear the stories, share insights. Side by side, we decide. Clarity, direction. Now you decide. Walking through Briarwood, yeah, I'm outside. Sun going down, but I'm still on stride. Card in my pocket just in case we connect. Not here to sell you, just building respect. I don't got all answers, I just know how to act. Turn real life problems into something you can map. Every yard, every block got something to build. I'm just helping you see what you already got. For real, that's real. I'm the Briarwood AI guy. Yeah, the Briarwood AI guy. Walk the block, hear the stories, share insights. Side by side, we decide. Clarity, direction. Now you decide. Met a lady, said she don't really trust AI. 30 minutes later, now she asking me why. Situation felt off, something didn't sit right. Pulled up ChatGPT just to give her some light. Not saying it's law, just giving direction. Now she know what to ask when she make that connection. Another neighbor out there planting in the yard. Said take a picture, let it help you think smart. Curb appeal ideas right there on the spot. Not magic, just tools showing what you got. You ain't gotta guess, you ain't gotta start on. Ask better questions, that's the start of it all. I'm the Briarwood AI guy. Yeah, the Briarwood AI guy. That's me. Walk the block, hear the stories, share insights. Side by side, we decide. Clarity, direction. Now you decide. Met a driver, said he ready for a new route. Long care on his mind, trying to map it out. I said don't just guess, don't just sit and hope. Put it online first, let the market show. Build a simple page, let the wait list grow. See who really interested before you go. Now you got that and now you got the man. That's facts, ain't no blind lead. Now you got a real plan. You can leave sooner than you probably think. For real. When the people already line up at the link, tap in, that's real direction, not just motivation. Turning idea into validation. Let's go. I'm the Briarwood AI guy. Yeah, the Briarwood AI guy. Walk the block, hear the stories, share insights. Side by side, we decide. Clarity, direction. Now you decide. Next door neighbor said he got a birthday plan. Website for his cousin, building up the brand. Record label vision, trying to make it look major. I said I got you, how far you trying to take? AI voice automations, bring it alive. Turn a small idea into something that thrives. From a thought to a build, now it's live on the net. Something they can feel, something they won't forget. I'm the Briarwood AI guy. Yeah, the Briarwood AI guy. That's me. Walk the block, hear the stories, share insights. Side by side, we decide. I got tools. I got tools, got prompts, got things you can use it. From content to business, it's all on the move. Neighborly vibes where I'm logging the play every day. Real conversations from the street every day. That's you can use it yourself or help somebody else. Turn knowledge into value, build something that sells. From Briarwood out to the rest of the city. Let's go. If it makes sense, then I'm rocking with it. Greensboro, Brown Summit. Yeah, I'm tapped in.